Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and today is the day I'm going to be saying goodbye to my old washing machine. It's not working anymore. It's not allowing me to open the door. Yeah, we're having a lot of problems with this Hotpoint washing machine that I don't know how long I've had, but definitely it's not been 10 years yet. So yeah, I have been looking and looking for a washing machine. That's what this video is all about today. It's all about what kind of washing machine I've bought, why I bought it, and also it goes, the whole process of what you need to do if you've never ever bought a washing machine or you've never had to replace one before. So this is a very interesting video for those purposes because I'm going to run you through it. So obviously you need to make sure that you've turned your washing machine off, and you also need to make sure that you have drained your washing machine. It may be different for different models, so check with your instructions on how to drain your washing machine. So depending on where you bought your washing machine from, I have purchased my brand new washing machine from Currys, and I have also within that payment I've asked for the delivery and installation and also the removal of my old washing machine. So now it's been drained, I'm going to remove the washing machine from its place because I want to make sure that I have cleaned all behind so that it's ready for the brand new washing machine. So I'm going to tell you exactly what I paid for. The service that I paid for here is the delivery, also the installation, and to recycle my old washing machine. So all of that I've added to the price of the washing machine. So when you order with Currys, they literally give you a call when they're arriving within that hour. They have called. I literally have an hour to pull this washing machine out to give it a good clean on the top. As you can see, it's very filthy. A lot of work has gone on here, and I also need to clean behind and yeah, have it all ready for when they come. So I am excited to receive my new washing machine. It is the Hoover HWash 500, and it is a 9-kilo freestanding washing machine in white. So this is what it looks like at the back here, and there is the plug there, so it's easy to just plug in. All they need to do is do the pipe work for me. I'm very excited to receive this washing machine. I will be talking to you throughout this video on why I chose this machine. So the reason why I chose Hoover is because I have used Hoover brands before and I have never had a problem, and they have lasted. So I want good quality when I'm choosing a washing machine. I love this new line of washing machine from Hoover because they've just made washing simpler. I mean, literally throw all of your washing, no matter what material, no matter whether it's white or coloured, in one load. You just chuck it in, and it also makes sure that every piece of clothing gets the care that it needs. Now, that's something when you're having a busy day that you want. You save in money, time, and also it's AA efficient, which is what I love about this. They actually do a very fast wash in 14 minutes, so that's ideal for me. And the one I like about this is actually got the smart technology. You can connect the Hoover to your Wi-Fi, and you can control using an app with your phone, and you can control the washing machine, which is fantastic just from using your phone. And I've never ever had that, and that was one of the things that attracted me to this Hoover washing machine, was the smart technology. So what makes this washing machine different from the rest? Well, this Hoover HWash 500 washing machine is equipped with the new generation Eco Power inverter motor, and this is the most long-lasting and powerful belt technology available on the market. So it's best to always make sure you do your measurements. This washing machine dimensions are 85 by 60 by 52 centimeters. So make sure you've got the measurements so that it all fits in place. Here you can see in this video they are plumbing it in. They are going to do like a little tester to make sure that everything is flowing properly and everything's connected properly, and then that's it, you've got your washing machine. So not only is this a very good looking washing machine, it comes with the spin dial plus the LED pad there, and you do get 1 year's labour and 10 years parts with this washing machine. Okay, so to go with the new washing machine, I decided to buy some lovely glass containers to put in all of these softeners, the washing up liquid, and some of the ball boosters as well. So I got this one from Amazon. I can put the link down below, and it has these little cork ball stoppers as well for the lids. I didn't get the ribbed ones, and I'll explain why in a moment, but I have got 4 clear ones. It comes in this lovely soft foam, so that's nice. So this is what they look like. And if you check the link down below, then that will give you all of the measurements as well. And so they're going to be like this, and then this is going to be their lid. So those are my containers, those are the lids, and then hopefully in this delivery here I should have some lovely labels which are going to go on here. So I decided to go with the laundry room, linen, closet and office organisation labels, and this is a value pack, so you get 242 labels in here. So I can see that on the first page here, this was probably the page that I'm going to be using because it's got the scented boosters here. Then you've got your fabric softener, you've got your laundry powder. The one thing I like about these are transparent, so we won't be seeing any of the white background. It will literally just be the writing, so it will come out as if it was black writing on there. So there is the fabric softener put on there. I'm going to get all of these done and then I'll show you at the end. So right now they're looking like this, and these are the things that I'll put in there. I didn't know what to put for this one, so I just put laundry pre-treat. I'm just thinking as long as it's got laundry on it, it's relevant because there wasn't anything else that I could use. On the actual manual, they'll give you the QR code, which you scan with your phone, which is what you're seeing right now. You download the app, you install it onto your phone, and then you need to connect it to the washing machine. So that's what we're going to be doing in this process. So as you can see, first of all, we're going to pair it to the Wi-Fi. And as you can see, that is now successfully paired. And now we need to add the appliance, which is the washing machine. So select washing machine, and then we just have to wait for that to get paired up. So there is a little QR code inside the washing machine door that you will scan, and then it will connect. So once that has been done, then you need to go onto your dial ring and then you turn it to Wi-Fi. It should be one of the first ones there. And then on the keypad, you'll then see that it does say menu Wi-Fi. Continue to follow the instructions like it says. At 60 seconds, press and hold the button, and then it will say that it is remote and that you are connected. Going back to the phone, you can now see all of the programs. There are about over 40, I think there's 41 programs here that are not on your washing machine that you can use, and you operate it from the app on the phone, and then your washing machine will automatically work. It's almost like using a remote control for the TV. Fantastic smart technology. So from the phone now, I'm going to get it to do active wash for 20 minutes because I'm just doing this for obviously demonstration purposes. And now you can see from the washing machine, it has automatically put it on the 20-minute active wash just from using the phone and not having to touch it whatsoever. And the load is now running. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed, all of the great highlights and all of the great features of this Hoover HWash 500. Hope to see you all again in another video.